Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 30th. Joan of Arc executed -1431. On May 30th, 1431, Joan of Arc was burned at the stake in Rouen, France. She was only 19 years old. Joan was a young peasant girl who believed she was guided by visions from God to help France win the 100 Years' War. She led several important battles and became a hero. But she was captured by the English and put on trial for witchcraft and heresy. Her bravery and tragic end made her a legend in history. Decoration Day first observed -1868. May 30th, 1868 marked the first official celebration of Decoration Day, which later became known as Memorial Day in the United States. It was a day set aside to honor soldiers who died in the Civil War. People decorated their graves with flowers, flags, and wreaths. The ceremony took place at Arlington National Cemetery, where thousands gathered. It became a touching tradition that continues to this day. Memorial Day now honors all American soldiers who died in service. First Indianapolis 500 race -1911. The first ever Indianapolis 500 automobile race was held on May 30th, 1911 in Indiana. It was a big moment for motor racing history. The race covered 500 miles and drew huge crowds. Ray Harroun won the race, driving a car called the Marmon Wasp. He used a rearview mirror instead of a riding mechanic, which was unusual at the time. This event started one of the most famous racing traditions in the world. The Indy 500 is still held every year around this date. Lincoln Memorial dedicated -1922. On May 30th, 1922, the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. was officially dedicated. Thousands of people attended, including President Warren G. Harding and Robert Todd Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln's son. The memorial honors Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, who led the country during the Civil War. The statue of Lincoln sitting in deep thought became a powerful symbol of freedom and equality. Over the years, it became a site for major civil rights speeches. It remains one of America's most iconic monuments. NASA launches Mariner 9 1971. NASA launched Mariner 9 on May 30th, 1971, on a mission to Mars. It became the first spacecraft to orbit another planet. Mariner 9 sent back over 7,000 pictures of Mars, showing huge volcanoes, canyons, and evidence of ancient rivers. This mission changed how scientists understood the red planet. It gave the world a closer look at Mars than ever before. Mariner 9's success helped pave the way for future space exploration. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.